looks when you first walk in. Over here we have the kitchen. Smaller kitchen, but it's cute. We love it. We have like this little catch-all right here where we put like keys, my dog's leash, phones, all that stuff, wet wipes. And then we have our little sink right here, air fryer, Brita cutting board, this little area with the stove and the microwave. I love this because you put your phone on it when you're cooking and you can like watch shows. And now we have these cute little pictures here. This one our friends drew us for our engagement. And then here we actually built this pantry. This did not come with the place, but it stores so much of our pantry staples. And then I also bought this matching wood shoe bin. These were all sold separately and I kind of figured out what color wood would match best. Okay, so here's Frankie's office space. I'm not gonna show too much just because it's not really my space to show you guys, but he has a ton of memorabilia. This is his record collection. And then he has a full mirrored closet right there, which is where he keeps all of his clothes. And then there's a door right here, which leads to his bathroom. And there's another door right there that also opens the bathroom. So it's kind of like the guest bathroom, but also his personal bathroom. It's pretty just clean. He has got all of his little stuff here on the shelf. As you can see, he likes his little old-timey kind of movie memorabilia, all of his little trinkets. And that's basically it. And the door just opens right there. Over here, we've got, you know, the dishwasher, all that kitchen stuff. And then it's a great little like open floor plan, which I'm personally obsessed with. And then here we have our little dining nook area. This right here obviously is like the little fruit bowl, our air fryer, blah, blah, blah. Dinky's food in his bowl goes right there. His actual food bowl is actually in the dishwasher right now. And then this is my coffee station. Under here, I don't want to show you guys my pantry and like all the drawers and stuff just because they're not the neatest right now. Just keeping it real. But in here we have like extra coffee, extra like milk that doesn't need to be refrigerated, like almond and oat. In there we have like spaghetti and spaghetti sauce and extra peanut butter and all that kind of stuff. And then up here we have a few like black and white records hanging, which we thought was just a cute little touch. And then here's the dining table. I forgot to say where everything's from actually. These bar stools are actually from IKEA. That is from Amazon. That bowl is from Home Goods. The candles are all miscellaneous. These I actually got off Etsy. That candle I got from Home Goods. That catch-all thing I got from Amazon. This I believe I got from Overstock. Then we have this stuff. This coffee holder, I got from Etsy. It's vintage. These two things I also got off Etsy. And then this catch-all tray and these I also got off Etsy. And then this vase I got from a local kind of more expensive plant shop around here called Rolling Greens. And then that's actually a fake plant from IKEA. These are all little vintage containers, except that one is from H&M Home. And then all of these records are actual records that are Frank's, and the frames for them are from IKEA. Moving on to the dining table. The dining table is from CB2, I believe, and the chairs are from Wayfair. And then we have these cute little salt and pepper shakers that are bears, and they came from Frank's mom. She got them, I believe, at like a flea market. And then the coasters are from TJ Maxx, and then this vase is from H&M Home. And then here is our bar cart. The bar cart itself, I believe, is from Wayfair, and then all the little trinkets on it. I think this decanter set I got from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then all the little, like this little tray, and that bowl is vintage. And then down here we have like the Murakami Perriers. These little glasses are vintage. This candle is from Urban. That one is from Etsy. And then those little shot glasses Frankie got me for Christmas. They're like Himalayan pink salt made for tequila. And then we have this cute little coaster. This is Frank's bar. And then this bear, which is like also a decanter. And he got that from me at a flea market. Here is the living room area. I believe the pot is from Rolling Greens, and then the plant is from Target. That is from Wayfair. And then this candle, I'll link it. It's like a brand I found off Instagram. That is a Mason Margiela replica candle. And then I got the little wick trimmer from Amazon. This bowl is from Etsy. And then I got the Architectural Digest book from Amazon. The flowers are from Etsy. The couch is from Living Spaces. That blanket, my dog is literally underneath it. And then these stairs are from Chewy. That little clear acrylic bin is from Amazon. And the carpet is from Wayfair. And then we have the little media console TV station. And we have some vases. These ones over here are from Home Goods. That one's CB2. That shell I just bought from like a little flea market. And then I have some like books. That bear Frank got me for Christmas. He's from Anthropology. Here is the balcony. It's pretty decent size. Over here we have this little turf where Dinky like lays and honestly pees. And then we have a little table right here from IKEA. And that's the view. Honestly, the view here is what kind of sold me on this apartment. Just like this big open sliding door situation is so amazing for natural light, and it really makes the space in my opinion. Okay y'all, and finally on to the main bedroom. This is our room. Here's my little nightstand. I believe it's from West Elm or CB2. I can't remember which one, but if I can remember, I'll link it down below. And then this is also from West Elm or CB2. The lamp is from Urban. I got West Elm and CB2 completely mixed up. So this like rock thing is from one of those stores as well. Again, guys, I'm gonna try to remember, but I really can't remember. Our white linen bedding is actually from IKEA, and then this throw is from Target. And then these like hanging drapes and the bed are both from Amazon. The stairs are from Chewy. And then one of my favorite parts is that this sliding door actually also opens up right here, and it leads to balcony. And then here's my dresser. This dresser is just from IKEA. It's a very like basic. This I believe is from West Elm. I'm sorry guys, I really get the two mixed up. I feel like they're the same store. And then these bears, they're a vintage teddy bear brand. Frankie got them for me for Christmas. This my mom got me for Christmas. It's just my jewelry box. This is the ring that I got my engagement ring in. This little shell bowl is from Etsy. I keep all my sunglasses in there. Well, not all, but like my most worn. This bowl is from IKEA. This is from Amazon. This candle I got at a vintage shop. This candle is Voluspa. My trainer gave it to me. And then here are my perfumes. This stand I got from like a small boutique here in LA. And then this print I got off Etsy, I believe. And then the frame I got from IKEA. Don't mind that. IKEA dressers are such crap quality, but it is what it is. And then here's my little makeup vanity. This acrylic vanity is from Wayfair, and so is this chair. And then I just have this plant over here as well. That's the master bathroom, which is basically just my bathroom because Frankie and I have separate bathrooms. And then this holds all of my makeup, extra skincare. All of these pieces are vintage. This lamp I've had for so long, and this is a Boy Smells Casey Musgraves candle. It's actually Frankie when he was a baby. How cute is that? Okay, and then here is the bathroom. I've got all my most used products right here. Toothbrush, toothpaste, some candles. And then these are my skincare products, my like favorite skincare products. Shower, it's a pretty big shower and it has a really high ceiling. And then I have my Google Home, a little candle, a basket full of extra towels, and then some sprays and all of that. And my favorite lotion.